How this is how we jive for mass communication. Here I'm again with another video. Here I'm again with another unboxing, guys. Here you can see I have a water heater or thermos for making tea, coffee or mate, whatever drink you consume. This is from Aigostar, one company, nothing fancy. A budget heater of water. Stainless steel, that is important. Electric kettle. So this is a water heater, a kettle in this case. Some places also in Spain they call this power or other things, whatever. So all the information is right in here. Made in China, obviously the product is. From this side is the same, 1.7 liter, almost 2 liter of water you can heat in this. Some serial number, some information is written. So the pack is already cut on. So I'm gonna open this one to show you what we have inside. So you can see the same time with me, guys. Put focus here. So let me open to show you. Here, the first thing is a manual. It's a heavy manual, a big literature. You can see written in many languages, German, Turkish, I guess, whatever. So that here we have the machine, main thing, main kettle. Take this off one side, and this side I think we have stand, nothing else in the box. Fine, basic. Here is the stand where you should have electric, lovely packaging. These days only you see paper packaging in this case. Good machine, I feel. Good stand, small cable, but lovely. The cable rotated inside, so lovely this one. So it will not hang all over the places. 1.5 meter cable should be lovely. So you see how you can do that. I can take out all to show you how long it is. Not that long, you see here, but it's fine. Lovely, I like the design, how it is. You can rotate inside and leave only the size is necessary. Wow, beautiful thinking. So we put this one side, come here to the machine. Let's see, I'm taking this off, simple one. Very light though. Wow. Stainless steel. The main part of this one is this is not a plastic. This is a stainless steel body here. The bottom is plastic. You can see here to charging or other stuff. You can see at the bottom. Lovely. Aluminium, this sort of thing. Star screw. 220 to 240 volt. 1800 to 2020 watt, something as is right, and other things. Lovely. Here you can see holes, lovely big holes, all steel. Lovely. Handle is plastic though. Here you have a button to release. This is to on and off your machine. Normally they breaks very fast. Okay. So this one is a big strong button, I see. It should last. Here the button to release the head. Here we go. You see nothing is inside. Nothing, no plastic part. So it will heat from the bottom. Lovely. It will be easy to clean. If you have plastic, something is impossible to clean. Only here is some edges. Lovely looking machine, guys. Wow, beautiful. And here is the stand. Let me put here. So you put water, you close, you connect. Here this button you see, already know. You can on and off the machine. So this is unboxing of Aigostar electric kettle for you guys. And I will show you how it's heating the water. Okay guys, if you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel. If you like this segment, please give me a thumbs up. Take care till then, bye.